Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20, and let me show you how to come along with user manual on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice tips and user manual. So all you have to do is to click on this tab and now locate user manual, which is the last possibility here. Click on it, wait a couple of seconds. Make sure obviously that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to access this user manual. And here you've got all the tips, guides and everything that you need to know your phone better. And if you have any questions, you will definitely find the answers here. So for example, if you would like to get some more knowledge about super fast charging, click here. And here we've got detailed informations, also the tutorial. So let's go back. Then we can come along with information about notification panel. Just click here. And here you've got it. So here you've got the instruction and also quick settings, info, everything you need. So just come along with it, pick those information that you are interested in, click, for example, on turning the device on and off, and here you will be able to come along with the knowledge. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily come along with device manual in Samsung Galaxy S20. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.